So, everyone's talking about ChatGPT, but what if you want a free alternative that still gives you a powerful AI tools? Let's go over the best options you can try right now. First up, Google Gemini. It's Google's direct competitor to ChatGPT, and it's free. It's built right into your Google account, and you can use it for brainstorming, summaries, and even use it for image based prompts. The integration with Google Search makes it super handy if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Next, we have Claude. Claude is free to use through certain platforms and is known for being very controversial and safe. It handles longer documents better than most free AIs, which makes it perfect for researchers and writing. Then there's Praxicity AI. This one's unique because it acts more like a smart search engine powered by AI. It pulls real time information from the web and gives you clear sighted answers. Great if you need to update knowledge, not just trained data. Another good option is Microsoft Copilot, which is built right into Bing. It's powered by OpenAI, and its free tier lets you chat, generate text, and even create images using DALL-E. If you're a Windows user, it's already integrated into your system. And finally, there's Hugion Cat, an open source AI chatbot from Hugion Face. It's not as polished as ChatGPT, but it's completely free and runs on community driven models, so it's great if you want something open and customizable. So, what's the best free plan alternative? For search and real time info, go with Perplexity. But for around use Gemini and Claude. And if you want open source freedom, try Hugion Chat.